What is a literary argumentative essay? A literary argumentative essay is a 5-paragraph analysis of a work of fiction, such as a short story or novel. Every literary argumentative essay begins with an introductory paragraph made of 3 parts: the hook, the thesis statement, and the organizing statement. The hook is a way to get your audience's attention. Hooks may include a descriptive passage, a question, or a famous quotation. For an essay on the importance of storytelling, the hook might be, "It is such a pleasure, when you are a child, to be read a story by an adult, to close your eyes and let your imagination wander as a voice guides you towards the images and characters that seem to take shape and move of their own volition." Then we need the thesis statement, which identifies the topic of your essay. It expresses the main idea as straightforwardly as possible. To continue with our example of an essay on the importance of storytelling, the thesis statement might be, "Bedtime Stories by Julie McGregor is a short story that centers around the power of storytelling." Then we have the organizing statement, which is a single sentence that outlines the structure and 3 main supporting ideas of the essay. Sylvia, the narrator, tells stories that teach the schoolchildren important values. That's our first point. Ramsey writes a story of his own and is praised by other students in his class. Our second point. And the author draws attention to various effective techniques used by storytellers, such as unusual metaphors and striking imagery. The second, third, and fourth paragraphs are body paragraphs. These kinds of paragraphs include a topic sentence, quotations from the short story, and other various elements. The topic sentence, well, every body paragraph must begin with a sentence that restates one of the 3 main supporting ideas, as introduced in the organizing statement. The information in the body paragraph must treat the supporting idea as its focal point. To continue with our example of an essay on the importance of storytelling, the first topic sentence might be, "Sylvia, the teacher and narrator of McGregor's story, begins every class with a short story that teaches the schoolchildren a useful lesson." The topic sentence of our second paragraph might be, "Ramsey writes a story which receives the top mark in the class, and the other students praise him for his work." Quotations from the text under analysis are useful as pieces of information to support your thesis statement. You might integrate a quotation into your body paragraph like this: "Ramsey couldn't believe the teacher's comment at the bottom of the page. Keep up this level of writing and you'll be a famous author in no time." Finally, in a body paragraph there are other various elements. Body paragraphs can include explanations, observations, claims, elaborations, examples, philosophical meditations. The list goes on. The 5th and final paragraph is the conclusion, which repeats the thesis statement and organizing statement, and includes a few final thoughts, perhaps a question to the reader like, "Can you imagine a life without stories?" Congratulations! You've learned the general structure of a literary argumentative essay.